I am wondering about Marey Tankless water heater reviews.
So, I take you are thinking of buying one? Sick of running out of hot water in the middle of your shower?
Yes, right on the money, my clever friend. What can you tell me about them?
Marey is a good brand. They have several popular models of tankless water heaters. The great thing about them is that they can offer you nearly endless hot water at an affordable price.
That sounds really fantastic. I can just picture an unlimited shower, with all the hot water I want.
Yes, Marey offers a 20-liter outdoor tankless water heater that offers 6 gallons per minute, so it is safe to say that you will not run out of hot water. They have other options available as well.
20-minute showers, here I come.
Another thing to note about Marey tankless water heaters is that they have an indoor-outdoor temperature control.
That is really a nifty feature.
Yes, in addition the unit is easy to install. So you have many options where to put this particular device.
Do Marey Tankless hot water heaters have a good review overall?
Yes, they do. They have a good reputation with both professionals in the industry and the public at large.
That is really great to know. I don't want to waste money on low quality.
One of the few cons with the Marey company is that individuals sometimes complain that if they have a problem with their unit, they find customer service is not very helpful.
That is a bummer. I hate bad customer service.
I know, isn't it the worst? However, with all the positive reviews in regard to Marey tankless hot water heaters, it is probable that you won't need to contact customer service very often.
I think you have sold me on a Marey Tankless water heater. Hot water, here I come.